Hey guys, Angus from Superior Engineering here. Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a bog stock 79 series into the ultimate Outback Tourer? Street legal, 5-inch lift on 37-inch tyres? Well, stay tuned and we'll give you the rundown.
First things first, swapping out the factory brake booster for a new Bendix brake booster to ensure you'll have the stopping power when you need it. This booster is part of a full brake system overhaul, which includes stainless steel braided brake lines front and rear, and our patented Superior handbrake upgrade kit. At this stage, our fitters will also install any additional accessories or run any wiring needed before we lift the vehicle up off the ground on the hoist. Our next step is measuring and cutting the guards to allow fitment of our OEM style fiberglass flares, which are specifically designed to give clearance to 37-inch tyres. Trimming and test fitting takes place to ensure that we have a clean professional fit before we send them off to get painted. After that, we're ready to really get the ball rolling on this build, starting with the removal of all the original suspension and steering components. Due to the coil conversion, the rear end is a little bit more involved than the front. All of the wiring looms and brake lines are detached so that the entire diff housing can be removed and swapped to our coil conversion diamond diff housing. Next step is to begin removing paint and any unnecessary brackets from the rear half of the chassis, preparing it for our boilermakers so they can make the start on welding the coil conversion in. After a quick lick of Raptor coat inside and out and a cavity wax, we're ready to start fitting the brand new Superior Outback Tourer steering and suspension package. This 79 is getting an Outback Tourer 5-inch coil conversion on Superior adjustable 2.0 monotube remote reservoir shocks with Hyperflex arms and much, much more. Finally, it's time for a clean and detail, and then this rig is ready to hit the road.
Would you take a look at that? All finished, 5-inch suspension lift, 37-inch tyres, Hyperflex radius arms, coil converted rear with the diamond diff, the ultimate street legal touring machine that'll take on the toughest tracks in the country, and it's going to look damn good doing it. If you'd like a more detailed look at our range of Outback Tourers or anything else we make here at Superior Engineering, drop a comment and let us know what you'd like us to discuss.